So we're about to make baked tofu. It's one of our family favorite meals because it makes a great addition to almost every meal. You could eat salads, wraps, stir fry, rice and beans. Now, before you say, I hate tofu or I don't like tofu, I never liked tofu, I want you to try this out. It might be something that will change your mind because this way of making tofu makes sure that the texture is right, the taste is right, and I promise you, it's worth a try, even if you tried tofu in the past and didn't like it. This might change your mind. So first thing we do is cut these into nice and even slices. Next, we lay each tofu sliced into a baking dish. And now we simply put our seasonings all in one bowl, starting with 3/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes, and a tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. And now we pour our mixture on top of the tofu. All right, and here we have the finished product. Like I said, it goes with just about everything. For over 280 diabetes reversing recipes, check the link in the description section for a free download. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our weekly whole food plant-based recipes.